In the first half of 2021, the Latin American program, Brazil Institute, and Argentina Project continued to analyze the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic on the health and well-being of people in the region. We examined the efforts of Latin American governments to get their citizens vaccinated and their economies on the path to recovery. And we also looked at the future of U.S.-Latin American relations in the Biden era. Since the beginning of the year, we've hosted 41 events featuring leading U.S. and Latin American public officials, business leaders, and scholars to explore the critical issues facing the region. Our Crisis Conversations is a series of dialogues with Latin American presidents on the front lines of the COVID response. We've hosted President Iván Duque of Colombia, President Laurentino Cortizo of Panama, and then President Francisco Sagasti of Peru to discuss the health, political, and economic challenges their nations are facing and their plans to overcome them. This year, we've also deepened our work on environmental protection and climate change. We've organized 10 high-level webinars on ocean resilience, environmental protection in the Southern Ocean of Antarctica, and the role of large Latin American companies when it comes to environmental sustainability. It's been a turbulent year, and we haven't lost sight of other major issues: elections in Peru, Ecuador, and Chile, the digital divide in Latin America, the future of healthcare, and gender-based violence. Additionally, in March, our director Cynthia Arnzen testified before the House Foreign Affairs Subcommittee on Western Hemisphere about the challenges facing the Biden administration in Venezuela. We released several publications and short articles by Latin American and U.S. authors on nearshoring, U.S. and Chinese assistance to the region amid the COVID-19 pandemic, and the efforts of regional governments to vaccinate Venezuelan migrants. Our report, Widening the Aperture, Nearshoring in Our Near Abroad, authored by Advisory Board member Richard Feinberg, has been praised by foreign policy experts for its innovative call to reimagine the broader Caribbean basin, create regional technology hubs, and further integrate the U.S. near abroad with the U.S. economy. Latin America continues to struggle with the pandemic, and politics in the region seem more contentious than ever. We remain as committed as ever to helping the region through its challenges, generating fresh policy ideas, amplifying Latin American voices, and building bridges between the new U.S. administration and policy actors throughout the region.